Christianity. Christianity, the largest religion globally, centers around the life and teachings of Jesus Christ. Christians believe in one God and follow the Bible, a collection of sacred texts and scriptures. The faith emphasizes themes of love, sacrifice, and redemption, offering hope and salvation. Christian denominations vary, but all share core beliefs in Jesus' life, crucifixion, and resurrection. Worship, prayer, and community service are vital aspects of Christian life, aiming to reflect Jesus' teachings in daily actions. Islam. Islam, meaning submission to God, is embraced by Muslims worldwide. They believe in a single, all-powerful God, Allah, and regard the Holy Prophet Muhammad as his final messenger. The Quran, their holy book, provides guidance and laws for living a righteous life. Islamic teachings emphasize charity, ethical living, and community. The 5 pillars of Islam: faith, prayer, charity, fasting during Ramadan, and pilgrimage to Mecca, are essential practices that reinforce a Muslim's commitment to faith and community. Islam encourages a deep spiritual connection with God through daily prayers and moral living. Hinduism. Hinduism, an ancient religion, offers a vast spectrum of gods, goddesses, and spiritual practices. It's a diverse and inclusive faith, with no single founder or sacred text, but many scriptures like the Vedas and Bhagavad Gita guide Hindus. Core concepts include karma, the law of cause and effect, dharma, righteous duty, and samsara, the cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. Hindus aim for moksha, liberation from this cycle, achieved through various paths like devotion, knowledge, and good deeds. Festivals, rituals, and pilgrimage are integral, celebrating the rich heritage and diversity of Hinduism. Buddhism. Buddhism, founded by Siddhartha Gautama, the Buddha, offers a path to spiritual enlightenment. Buddhists seek to understand life's nature and escape suffering through mindfulness, ethical conduct, and meditation. The 4 Noble Truths explain life's inherent suffering and the path to its cessation. The Eightfold Path, a guide for ethical and mindful living, leads to nirvana, a transcendent state free from suffering. Buddhism emphasizes compassion, wisdom, and the importance of living in the present moment. It has diverse traditions, but all share a focus on personal spiritual development and the pursuit of enlightenment. Sikhism. Sikhism, a monotheistic religion from India, teaches devotion to one God and living a life of truth, courage, and compassion. Founded by Guru Nanak and carried forward by 10 successive gurus, Sikhism's principles are enshrined in the Guru Granth Sahib, their holy scripture. Sikhs emphasize equality, rejecting discrimination based on caste, creed, or gender. Community service through langar, a communal meal open to all, reflects their commitment to helping others. Key practices include meditation on God's name, earning an honest living, and sharing with the needy. Sikhism encourages a life of balance, spirituality, and social responsibility. Judaism. Judaism, one of the oldest monotheistic religions, is the foundation of both Christianity and Islam. Centered on the belief in one God, Jews follow the Torah, their sacred scripture. Judaism is not just a religion, but a way of life, encompassing a rich cultural and historical heritage. Key principles include the importance of community, justice, and ethical living. Jewish practices involve observance of the Sabbath, dietary laws, and traditional rituals. Despite historical challenges, Judaism has persisted, emphasizing resilience, the value of questioning and learning, and a deep connection to their ancestral land. Bahá'í Faith. The Bahá'í Faith, founded in the 19th century in Persia, is one of the newest world religions. It was established by Baha'u'llah, who Baha'is believe is the latest in a line of prophets that includes Abraham, Moses, Buddha, Jesus, and Muhammad. The core belief of the Bahá'í Faith is the unity of all people and religions. Baha'is advocate for world peace, equality of men and women, and universal education. Their temples around the world are open to all, symbolizing their commitment to unity and inclusivity. Jainism. Jainism, an ancient Indian religion, revolves around principles of nonviolence, non-possessiveness, and self-discipline. Jains follow the teachings of the Tirthankaras, spiritual conquerors who have achieved liberation and enlightenment. The most famous Tirthankara, Mahavira, is considered the founder of modern Jainism. Jains practice strict vegetarianism and are dedicated to living a life that minimizes harm to all living beings. Their emphasis on self-control, meditation, and ethical living aims to achieve spiritual liberation and a deep understanding of the universe's nature. Each religion, with its unique perspective, contributes to the rich mosaic of human spirituality. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world's major religions.